If you're running a Shopify store and want to automate your dropshipping business, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Fast, easy, and 100% up to date for 2025. By the end of this video, your store will be fully integrated and ready to start importing products and fulfilling orders automatically. Let's jump straight in. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is where you manage everything about your store, from products and customers to apps and settings. If you're not already logged in, go to shopify.com, sign in with your credentials, and open your store's admin panel. Now, look to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on Settings. Inside the Settings panel, select Apps and Sales Channels. This section is where you manage all the extra tools that make your Shopify store more powerful, and CJ Dropshipping is one of them. Next, click on the Shopify App Store button. This will open the official Shopify marketplace where you can find thousands of apps to expand your store's functionality. In the search bar at the top, type CJ Dropshipping. You'll see several results, but make sure to choose the official CJ Dropshipping app. It's the one designed specifically to integrate with Shopify seamlessly. Click on it, and on the app page, you'll see a brief overview, features, reviews, and pricing details. Once you're ready, hit the Install button. Shopify will ask for confirmation and show you the permissions the app needs to connect with your store. Click Install again to approve. During installation, you'll either need to log into your CJ Dropshipping account or create one if you don't have it yet. Follow the on-screen instructions to sync your CJ account with Shopify. This connection allows your store and CJ to communicate automatically, meaning product listings, inventory updates, and order fulfillment can all happen in real time without the manual work. And that's it. You've now successfully connected CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. From here, you can start importing products from CJ directly into Shopify, set your pricing, and manage orders effortlessly. This quick setup will save you hours every week and help your business scale faster with less stress. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next Shopify tips and automation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.